Hey guys, David, 3 Years Car Collector here, back with a video. Today I'm going to be showing off some of my Bryce Harper collection. I got a couple cool, rarer Bryce Harper cards in the mail recently. So I wanted to show those off and then kind of give an update on my full Harper collection. So I've been a fan of Harper ever since he came into the league. This is one of his prospect cards from 2011 Bowman. I believe these are just like inserts and some retail packs. This is Bowman Chrome rookie that I have. I think that's my only like true rookie of his. And then this is a pretty early short print of some sort from Pinnacle. Whole thing's clear. It's a pretty sweet card. It's from 2013 Pinnacle. I have to excuse my voice. I'm going on about 2 weeks of being sick now without a voice, so it's every time I think I'm getting over it, I'm not. But the 2 cards I added are both case hits or SSPs from Diamond Kings. This one's the Aurora from 2020 Diamond Kings. So if you're not familiar with Diamond Kings, these have like a canvasy texture to the front of them, but the Auroras are just one of their super short print inserts. Really colorful. The black in the back kind of helps accentuate the colors. So this was the first one I added. And the second one I added is also an Aurora, but this is from 2021 Diamond Kings. Same thing with the canvasy texture. This one's got this like gold foil at the top. That kind of helps pop. I like the picture on the 2021 a lot better. Just the way the colors flow, I really like that. So I've got quite a little stack of the super short prints of Harper. I've shown some of them in other videos. We've got 3 more from Diamond Kings. This one's the Les Cinq Poubelles. I know I butchered that, but I don't speak French. This is from 2022 Diamond Kings. All the Diamond Kings have the canvas. Most of the ones I have are Panini, so they're all going to have the logo-less hats and jerseys, but I just really like the way Panini did the inserts and such. They did a good job with the super short prints. This is the 2021 Diamond Kings DeLong insert. Standard size card, unlike the real DeLong set, but cool card. And this is the street art. Kind of a graffiti-esque type card. Cool bright colors. This is from 2022 Diamond Kings as well. But I think they just did a really good job with the poses and the card designs compared to like the boring stuff that Topps puts out. I'll show a couple Topps ones I have real quick. This is the Gallery of Heroes. It is clear, stained glass type card. And then this is the original year home field advantage. This is 2022 Topps. I know 2023 has one also with a different pose. I haven't picked that one up yet. Like, this is cool. It's like Topps version of the downtown, but I just think Panini does a better job with the way they do the card designs and stuff for their super short prints. I think the Topps ones get kind of cheesy. This one is the Artistic Impressions from 2020 Select. It's kind of hard to pick up, but there's like stars glistening in the background of this. There's another super short print. Some of these are a lot more short printed than others, like this neon and the artistic impressions. I see those pop up quite often compared to some of these other ones we'll show later. This is the neon from 2021 Optic. Just cool with the way the whole kind of card outline glows like a neon sign. This is the color wheel from 2021 Select. This card's etched. Some of these other, like the Optic ones, are just outlined. See, this one was Select. That one's also etched. So certain of Panini's little sub-brands get the etching. Some just get the basic outlining. This is the Stars and Stripes from 2020 Optic. Another one, the outlined ones. This is a cool one with the American flag taking up the whole background. I forget what this one's called. This is from 2020 Prism. It's just like it's not really cracked ice, but the card design kind of makes it that way. I really like the, you can see there's some etching on this one. But the blue jersey is cool. It kind of pops with the green. It starts with a G. So I'm going to guess like gemstones, if I had to guess. Because it kind of does look like a stone cut in the back. But that's one of my favorites there. This is Lava Flow. This is a cool one. I like the way the colors kind of combine with the red of the Phillies. This is from 2022 Prism. Try and get the pickup. Little etching on Harper, but then you get the whole etching in the background of just the card design. So really, the card really pops in the light. And then my favorite is this Deep Space. This is from 2021 Spectra. No etching on Harper, but he's outlined really well, and then the way the kind of galaxy in the background shines through the really dark blue just looks really cool. It's a good pose too. So I'll do it for this video. I just wanted to show off my Harper PC. I don't think I've done this before, but I just wanted to update it, especially with the 2 new ones I added. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I look forward to catching up on some of the card videos I've missed out on. So enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video.